Unveiling the secrets, mind-blowing insights into technology. The unseen evolution of technology mirrors nature's genius, seamlessly integrating solutions forged over millennia into our daily lives. It's a testament to how human innovation is inspired by the natural world around us. Quantum computing represents a frontier in technology, promising to unravel complexities that have long baffled scientists. This leap into the quantum realm could redefine our understanding of processing power and problem solving. Artificial intelligence transcends the realm of science fiction, steadily molding our future. By mimicking human intelligence, AI is set to revolutionize industries, healthcare, and everyday convenience, making the impossible possible. The Internet of Things is crafting a reality where connectivity is ubiquitous. From appliances to cities, IoT technology is setting the stage for a seamless interaction between the digital and physical domains. Virtual reality is blurring the boundaries between what's digital and what's tangible. It offers immersive experiences that were once the stuff of dreams, opening new vistas for entertainment, education, and beyond. Blockchain technology is revolutionizing how we perceive security and trust in the digital world. By decentralizing data, it ensures transparency and reduces the risk of fraud in transactions across various sectors. 3D printing is transforming ideas into reality, allowing for the creation of complex designs that were once deemed impossible. This innovation bridges the gap between imagination and physical manifestation, heralding a new era of manufacturing. Autonomous vehicles are paving the way for a future where transportation is safer, more efficient, and environmentally friendly. By reducing human error, they promise to dramatically change our daily commutes and long-distance travel. Renewable energy technologies are at the forefront of combating climate change. Harnessing the power of the sun, wind, and water, they offer sustainable alternatives that promise a cleaner, greener planet for future generations. Augmented reality is merging the digital with the physical, enhancing our daily experiences. From improving navigation to revolutionizing education and entertainment, it overlays information onto our world in real time, changing how we interact with our surroundings. The power of big data is reshaping our understanding of the world by converting vast amounts of information into actionable insights. This transformation is pivotal for businesses and governments alike, driving innovation and efficiency. Cybersecurity has become our digital era's silent guardian, protecting sensitive information from increasing threats. As we navigate through more connected lives, the importance of robust security measures has never been more paramount. Wearable technology merges fashion with functionality, creating gadgets that not only look good but also enhance our daily lives. From fitness trackers to smartwatches, these devices keep us connected in style. The concept of space internet aims to provide global connectivity, reaching even the most remote areas. This innovation promises to bridge the digital divide, ensuring that everyone can access the wealth of information online. Gene editing technology is revolutionizing medicine and agriculture by allowing precise modifications to DNA. This breakthrough has the potential to cure genetic diseases and improve food security, marking a new era in biotechnology. The digital afterlife explores the intriguing concept of preserving human consciousness through technology, allowing personalities and memories to live on in the digital realm beyond physical existence. This emerging field promises a form of immortality, challenging our traditional views on life and death. Nanotechnology stands as a monumental stride in science, manipulating matter at an atomic level to create breakthrough materials and devices. Its applications range from medicine to manufacturing, ushering in a new era of innovation and problem-solving capabilities. Smart cities paint the picture of a future where urban environments are highly connected, efficient, and responsive to the needs of their inhabitants. Through the integration of IoT devices, AI, and sustainable practices, these cities aim to enhance the quality of life, reduce environmental impact, and streamline urban management. The impact of social media delves into how these platforms have fundamentally altered the landscape of communication and influence. It highlights the power of social networks in shaping public opinion, fostering connections, and even affecting political landscapes, all while raising questions about privacy and mental health. The future of education looks at the transformative role of technology in learning, from virtual classrooms to personalized learning experiences. It underscores the potential for tech to make education more accessible, engaging, and tailored to individual learning styles, preparing students for a rapidly evolving world.